Hi, today you are going to look for snap words. There are 10 hidden snap words in this picture. You will use this box to move it around over the picture looking for our 10 snap words. Just like this. When we see a snap word, we will stop, click on the word, and now drag the snap word over to these boxes. These are the boxes that will collect all our snap words. We will continue moving this around until we find and collect all our snap words and bring them to the boxes here for storage. When we are done, we will click on the microphone to record ourselves reading the 10 snap words. Have fun!